Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the tutorial on how to sew a crossbody bag. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that alert button for more upcoming videos. Firstly, we need to cut our fabric out. So we have two inner pieces. This is the piece to fold over the pocket, and then we have two outer pieces and a zip. Next step, making sure the main piece of fabric is right side up and the fold of the pocket is right side down. We're going to iron this at the top about 1/2 inch, and then as you can see in the video, we're going to slide this up to the top, and then we're going to fold it down again and then press. Once we have pressed this, we need to sew this in place. So we're going to sew down the bottom edge all the way down here. Now we've sewn that in place, we're going to make the tabs. So I've got two pieces of fabric for the tabs, for the straps. So you're going to fold this in half, and then you're going to press. And you're going to repeat with both tabs. And then we're going to fold again, and then again. And then we're going to press this down. And then we're going to stitch this in place. Now we need to take our pocket and the outside of the fabric, and we're going to place the pocket on top, and then we're going to pin this in place so it doesn't move. We're going to pin the tabs in place. We're going to get our D-ring and put this on the tab, making sure the raw edge of the tab is facing on the raw edge of the fabric. Now we can insert the zip. When you insert the zip, make sure your main piece of fabric is facing right side up and the zip is facing the right side down. Then you need to stitch the top of the zip, and then you need to repeat this step. Now we need to do a top stitch. We're going to sew down here and then repeat this here. Now I'm going to make sure this is unzipped, and then we're going to make sure the two right sides of each fabric is facing each other. So the outer piece needs to be facing each other and the lining needs to be facing each other. Then make sure everything's in place. Now I'm going to grab my pattern and going to draw around the bag. Now we're going to sew around them lines, but make sure you leave a gap at the top so we can turn this inside out. We're now going to cut off all the excess fabric, and then we're going to turn this inside out. Make sure we poke out all the corners, and then once we've done this, we're just going to sew together the top of the lining. The strap is made the same way we made the tab. So you're going to fold this in half so you've got your line in the middle, and you're going to press. And then you're going to fold to the line from each side. And then you're going to fold this again and press all the way down. And then we're going to sew all the way down the strap so it's sewn together. Now we've finished making the strap, we're going to put this through the D-ring and we're going to fold this, and then we're going to fold it again, and then we're going to stitch across here so it stays in place. We're going to repeat this for the other side, and then your bag will be complete.